All right, we're back at OSO at TMP, October 7th. This would be the semi-final, I guess, for OSO for this year. There's one more event on the 28th of October. So again, we're running the stick shift class again today. Not as big as a turnout. We've got 4 cars running stick shift. There was a BMW, which I guess it's his first time out here. I think it's an M Series 1 or something along those lines. We also got Matt back out here with the Trans Am. We got Andrew with the all-wheel drive Civic from the last race out here. So we've teched the car in. We've already done the driver's meeting. Everything's ready to go. We've already drawn for first round. So first round, I drew Andrew with the all-wheel drive Civic. So we'll be lining up against him first round. I've got left lane. He's in the right lane. Fast car. I know, talking to Clayton from the last race, he said that definitely put some moves on him at the end of the track there. I think it should be a good race. Hopefully we can get the W on this one, and hopefully everything's working with the car and we don't have any issues. But so we have done a few changes for this event. I actually pulled out the passenger seat and pulled out the rear seats. Figured I'd see what kind of difference it would make with the rear seats and passenger seat out. Also added some PSI to the front tires. I was reading online, I guess with a little bit more PSI in it, it'll roll out better, which I guess would be an advantage. So typically I run 35 PSI on the street. Right on the sidewall, they're good for 50 PSI max, so I put 50 PSI in them. See if that helps us out at all. But that's it for changes. Keeping everything the same from the last race, and just hoping that everything works out and that the car goes A to B. So, gonna head up to the staging lanes.
Easy way. Fucked. Fuck yeah.
I spun a little bit, but then I grabbed.
I could, but I had to hurl through it, but tires are just fucking
Thanks, bro. All right, there we are. So we're going into the finals with Matt here. Yeah.
So,
So how'd you make out in the first round there?
Not bad, not bad. It went pretty good. Yeah, I think changed a few things. RPM's kicked down a little too low, so a little bit more timing in. Hopefully she doesn't sink as much. Put a better chance up against you, maybe.
No. He's got the better lane, so he's got the left lane, which I just made a killer pass in. So he definitely has a good lead.
We'll see. Probably won't make a difference against him.
Oh no.
But we're gonna try anyways.
All right, so you want to tell us about the car a bit?
Yeah, so yes, 94 Trans Am, little 5.9 liter, I guess, 30 over, little head cam package, long tubes.
Okay.
Yeah, it's none of that fun stuff.
EPA, EPA.
But yeah, all naturally aspirated and 6-speed car, and yeah, had a little bit of clutch trouble in the spring, so still getting used to the new clutch. But yeah, new setup seems to be feeling pretty good. So
Street car too. I see it's got full interior in it, unlike me.
Interior, lots of bugs on the front, so I do drive it anyways. Yeah.
Yeah, I kind of went ricer today and pulled some of my interior out. So
that's okay. Whatever works.
Fucking racist. Fucking racist. Fucking racist. Fucking racist. Fucking racist.
Yeah, so it's not NA, is it?
Yeah.
Oh, it's NA.
Yeah. No,
Oh wow.
nothing.
Holy shit, eh?
Yeah, she's just chugging along for what
Wow,
it is. Hopefully
wow.
this winter I'll work on the bottom end and maybe give her some giggle gas. So.
That's awesome. I didn't realize that was NA, so that's pretty sweet.
But yeah, I like it with the drag pack on it. Looks good.
Yeah, how long have you owned it?
I've had it since 2008.
2008. Holy crap.
Yeah, there's 305,000 on the body.
Wow. So yeah, it's been driven.
Driven. Yeah, the last owner actually took it through, I think, every state except for Alaska.
Oh wow.
You guys drove it everywhere.
So it's been everywhere.
Yeah, you name it. So, yeah.
Now it's out here racing and going to the finals.
Yeah, that's right.
Right.
That's
So,
right.
so I guess be safe.
Yep, absolutely.
And we'll
you too. Best
yeah,
of luck.
yeah.
And,
Thanks, Matt.
Let's have fun.
Yeah, for sure, bro.
All right, buddy.
Easy wins
I think
all
I
night.
can beat everyone. Easy.
That's going to wrap up another 6-shift win for us at the Ontario Street Outlaws event. Big shout out to my crew. Shout out to Haley for helping filming this one. Shout out to Bo for lining me up and all the help with the car. Couldn't do it without everyone. Now that's going to leave us in a really good position for points for the WALLY for this year for the stick shift class. We should have about a 20-point lead now over second place. So we'll be back on October 28th to defend the title and hopefully come home with that WALLY. So make sure you like, share, subscribe. You don't want to miss the next video. Next event will be that Ontario Street Outlaws final. So we'll see you in a couple weeks. Thanks for watching.
Chris Bagwell up here. Looking real serious. Oh, I thought you seen me. Kind of glanced over. Check out how straight his beard is. Got a bit of a point to it. Oh, shit. Oh, now he's going over to his biggest fan, Chad. These guys are the best buds back home. Look at that. Just picture a little heart right in the middle there. Right there in the middle. Oh, shit. Talking serious racing talk right now. over here signing autographs for the fans.